Hi there, welcome to 1-2-Step. In today's video, I am going to show you how to open PNC Bank website. PNC or Provident National Corporation Bank is an American bank holding company and financial service corporation. It operates in 27 states and District of Columbia with 2,629 branches and 9,523 ATMs. So to do that, first we need to open up any web browser. In today's video, I'm gonna choose Google. After opening up Google, on the URL bar, type in PNC Bank. After that, there will be an option called Online Mobile Banking. Click on that, which will lead you to the official web page of PNC Bank. So that was the process of opening the web page of PNC Bank. If you find this video useful, then go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that we can notify you with our newest upload. For now, thank you for watching the video.